I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've imported your footage and opened the timeline. Now locate the text track above your video. Click the Titles/Text tab and identify the text clip visually or by track labels. Once found, select the text clip so it's highlighted. Pressing Delete removes that editable overlay immediately. If multiple text clips exist, hold Shift and click each to delete several at once. This removes built-in title overlays quickly, so you can continue editing without altering the underlying video file. If you want to change rather than delete, double-click the text clip to open the editor and adjust font, size, color, position, and timing. This explains how and why you'd alter readability or branding. To refine when text appears, move the playhead and use split to cut the text clip, then delete the unwanted segment or drag edges to trim duration. Once edited or removed, add a fresh title from the library if you need new wording or a different style to match the scene. If text is burned into the pixels, you can't delete it like a title. Instead, use masking and patch techniques. Start by creating a mask over the text and apply a mosaic or blur to hide it, or sample nearby pixels and overlay a patch graphic to match color and motion. This explains why masking preserves surrounding detail. Once fixed, render with proper export settings like H.264 and original resolution. If artifacts remain, retry mask feathering or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.